There's no doubt decentralized lending plays a significant role in the growth of all major blockchain DeFi ecosystems. To date, it's pooled lending protocols that have prevailed in defining the industry standard, attracting the most user adoption. Providing a frictionless solution to the unlocking of and access to fast liquidity, decentralized lending fuels a whole host of use cases where participants leverage the value of their crypto assets to fund DeFi plays with the view to profit and without the need to sell. If we are to learn anything from the DeFi ecosystems that came before, it's that the growth and adoption of lending protocols specifically will be one of the main contributing factors of a booming Cardano DeFi scene. In 2021, this may have been viewed as a daunting proposition considering Cardano's smart contract and protocol development was in its absolute infancy. Fast forward to April 2024, however, and the concept of Cardano being home to the future of decentralized lending is no longer a big idea or development in progress. Innovation in DeFi lending is happening in real time on Cardano, and lending protocol designs leveraging Cardano's unique architecture are unleashing a new standard of decentralized lending altogether. Welcome back for today's installment of Cardano Insights, where we track developments at the very pulse of Cardano and its ecosystem. In today's episode, the focus is on Lenfi, a decentralized lending protocol built on Cardano that is morphing into the most comprehensive lending solution in the ecosystem. So let's get straight into it. First, for some background, currently Lenfi consists of two separate protocols, its V1 peer-to-peer lending platform AADA Finance and its pooled lending protocol Lenfi. This innovative feature set, being the only lending protocol on Cardano that facilitates both kinds of decentralized lending, means that it is capable of servicing a wide range of lending needs to drive user growth, and is one aspect that sets it aside from other lending platforms. In a recent development update video, Lenfi outlined the significance of the Lenfi V1 and V2 platforms integration. This is where both the V1 peer-to-peer marketplace and V2 pooled lending protocols will integrate into one platform, showcasing all of its powerful lending features under the lenfi.io domain and Lenfi branded UI. This step is crucial as it completes the rebranding from AADA Finance to Lenfi, removing any confusion about the relationship of the two protocols, and will in turn deliver a much improved user experience. Although in DeFi pooled lending is considered the industry standard, the Lenfi protocol provides users the best of both worlds with its lending pools and peer-to-peer marketplace functionality. While Lenfi's V2 platform offers instant liquidity with its lending pools, the V1 peer-to-peer marketplace offers a flexible lending experience with fully customizable loans where users submit lending or borrow requests and can control all the loan parameters, including the interest APY and loan term. The peer-to-peer protocol continues to be utilized despite the deployment of Lenfi V2, demonstrating the demand for this type of dual functionality, as demonstrated with examples like IAG recently financing an exchange listing by collateralizing 3 100k ADA peer-to-peer loans utilizing Lenfi V1, also considering the daily peer-to-peer market activity and approximately 15 million ADA TVL. Lenfi V1 is an extremely valuable and important piece of the overall Lenfi lending toolkit. This is why the integration of V1 and V2 is such an important step, as it will bring all of Lenfi's powerful lending features under one roof, streamlining the user experience. This innovative combination of decentralized lending capabilities is heavily understated and will play a pivotal role in Lenfi capturing a much wider user base across Cardano DeFi and beyond. But this development is not only the integration of the two protocols. The Lenfi team are actively working on enhancements that will increase performance and deliver added utility to the platform. In this latest stream of developments, it's been confirmed that Lenfi's Aiken V1 code is being reworked to transform its peer-to-peer marketplace by leveraging the power of Plutus V2 script referencing. This will deliver exceptional transaction speed and efficiency for users. With it will also come a variety of new features to supercharge Lenfi's peer-to-peer lending experience. So let's review developments surrounding the major peer-to-peer market upgrade that will effectively evolve the protocol into Lenfi V3. Alongside the V1 and V2 integration, Lenfi will deliver a range of peer-to-peer lending feature upgrades as a part of this transition. This will bring more versatility for lenders and borrowers, enhancing the overall user experience, and aims to fuel further growth in the Lenfi platform. First off, the introduction of multi-loan repayments in one transaction. With this new functionality, peer-to-peer users will be able to repay multiple loans in a single transaction. This simplifies the loan repayment process and provides greater flexibility in managing multiple debts. The restructured peer-to-peer market will also introduce the ability for users to utilize up to 5 different Cardano native tokens as collateral in a single loan. Rather than only being able to select one collateral token, The ability to utilize a variety of collateral tokens enables the user to enhance risk management capabilities. Collateral value that is spread across multiple tokens significantly reduces risks associated with loan health factors decreasing as a result of major price movements in the market. This can create more stability in a borrower's collateral position. Further to this, the upgraded peer-to-peer market will introduce a new level of debt risk management by allowing borrowers to add more collateral to their existing loans without the need to repay or open a new position. If a loan health factor is reduced, the user has the flexibility to top up the collateral to avoid liquidation and maintain the existing loan until they are ready to repay. As part of this upgrade, the peer-to-peer market will also introduce delegation rewards for unfilled loan deposits and requests. Peer-to-peer lending requires users to make loan requests or deposits. Until they are matched with another user, liquidity remains idle in the smart contract. The introduction of this feature means that users who make liquidity requests and deposits with AADA will no longer lose their staking credentials and continue to earn staking rewards until the point the loan is filled. This feature provides more incentive for participation and value to the end user. And finally, the new peer-to-peer upgrade will enable the use of any third-party Oracle solution without the need to stop or interrupt the smart contracts, synchronizing the V1 and V2 oracles. This will provide Lenfi greater flexibility as the Oracle landscape evolves and delivers a more robust standard, as it means that Lenfi can utilize whatever smart contract of Oracle it decides upon. So that summarizes the V1 peer-to-peer feature upgrades, but there's more. Alongside the peer-to-peer upgrade and V1 V2 integration, development of the Lenfi safety module is also being carried out simultaneously and is a vital piece of the protocol's security infrastructure. A safety module is a mechanism that serves as a hedge against shortfall events, for example mass liquidations, smart contract malfunctions, or hacks. In effect, the hedge will cover a percentage of bad debt for protocol users. The implementation of a safety module will attract more users to the platform. Individuals who provide their funds as a hedge will receive reward in return for the risk they are taking. The design and development for such a mechanism is currently underway, and when deployed, the safety module will bring added security to the protocol and utility to the Lenfi token, further to its current utility of governance voting power and use as a loan collateral. For the safety module to be effective, however, the protocol needs to deliver sustainable revenue streams to fund rewards and incentivize meaningful participation. This will come from increased lending and borrowing activity, which highlights the importance of the V1 upgrade and integration with Lenfi V2. This development will deliver a significantly improved user experience through the new peer-to-peer lending features, optimized speed efficiency in harnessing Plutus V2 script referencing, and the completion of the AADA Lenfi rebrand. The V1 code rework, new peer-to-peer platform features, completed rebrand integration with Lenfi V2, and safety module MVP is currently expected for everything to be delivered in one launch in the form of Lenfi V3. It's my understanding that this development is scheduled for release in this current quarter, obviously subject to any delays. So stay tuned for more on the Pulse updates and be sure to follow all of Lenfi's social channels linked in the description. The delivery of Lenfi V3 paves the way for even more protocol and token utility for its users. A revamped peer-to-peer market upgraded and integrated with its pooled lending protocol with permissionless pool creation, Oracle upgradability, and safety module will, in my opinion, make Lenfi the most comprehensive and feature-rich lending solution on the Cardano blockchain. This development represents another major milestone in the Lenfi journey and considerably strengthens its position in the pursuit of becoming a pillar for lending and borrowing in Cardano DeFi. So that's it for today's installment of Cardano Insights as we track developments and continue to spread those positive Cardano vibes. If you found value in the content and want to help Sapien reach a wider audience, then please drop a comment below, like, share and subscribe, which is the best way you can help support the channel. I'll be back soon with more Cardano content, but until then, thanks for watching, have a great week ahead, and as always, keep it Cardano.